I'm Barbara Schultze, author of the new novel, Trust the Wings. I want to thank Lisa Gorski, the editor-in-chief of the journal Home Healthcare Now, for doing a wonderful review of my book. Thank you, Lisa. I'd like to read her review. She writes, in her debut novel, Barbara Schultze presents a compelling story that draws on her experience as a home care nurse and hospice chaplain. Although the book is fictional, the clinical experiences woven throughout will resonate strongly with today's home care clinicians. The main character, Nurse Avie, was a critical care nurse manager who dreamed of becoming a hospital executive. After a series of life-altering events shatter that ambition, she ends up back at her childhood home and begins working as a home care nurse. Schultze's portrayal of home care practice, patients, and everyday challenges is realistic and credible. Encounters with unsafe, cluttered, or unsanitary homes, and with the unpredictable action of pets are depicted honestly and with respect for the patients and families involved. The narrative captures the realities of working in environments where nurses must constantly assess risk while preserving dignity. The realities of home care are included in the story: documentation, reimbursement, high referral volumes, and changing schedules. Yet, as home care nurses, we often go above and beyond in caring for our patients. In the story, Avie's work with caregivers Joyce and Nate and the patient Abigail are memorable. An important theme of the book is caregiver burden and role strain. This theme is reflected not only in the patients and families Avie serves, but also in her own life as she becomes the caregiver for her aging father with dementia. The burden of caregiving is portrayed honestly, yet it is also shown as a privilege, an opportunity to understand her father more deeply at this stage of his life. Experienced home care nurses will recognize in this book what we all know. Home care is so much more than just health care at home. Home care is complex and challenging. It requires independent thinking, adaptability, cultural sensitivity, and efficiency. I highly recommend this book. Once I started reading it, I could not put it down and read it over a weekend. Again, thank you so much, Lisa, for this wonderful review of my book, Trust the Wings.